The governor withdrew all his applications and Justice Omotosho alluded that Emmanuel Anene announced to the news in full. A lawyer representing the 27 Rivers State lawmakers, Emmanuel Anene, has alleged that the governor of Rivers State, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, withdrew all his applications in the case against the Martin Amawole's faction. He stated how the Federal High Court, Justice James Omotosho, alluded to the withdrawal of the application in the judgment, noting that no specific reason was provided for this action. He argued that even if the president were to direct the withdrawal of cases, such direction would only be binding on plaintiffs, not defendants. He emphasizes the fundamental legal principle that defendants cannot unilaterally withdraw a case that they did not initiate. He stated that this distinction is particularly important in understanding the limitations of the governor's action as a defendant in the case. He stated categorically that if the original plaintiff, in this case the Rivers State House of Assembly and Martins Amawole, choose not to withdraw their case, the defendants have no legal authority to force such a withdrawal. The fact that these people have people that are supporting them and they even have a lawyer, it shows how corrupt this country is. It is well. He said in an interview with Channels TV, in that Justice Omotosho's case, the governor is not the plaintiff in that matter. The people who are the plaintiffs in that matter are the Rivers State House of Assembly and Martins Amawole, the second plaintiff, and the governor appeared as the 11th defendant. Then the Attorney General was also there. Now Edison Heye was the 17th defendant in that suit. The governor withdrew all his applications and Justice Omotosho alluded to that. The justice said in that judgment that it should be noted that the 11th defendant in this case withdrew all his applications, including the filing he made in this case. There was no reason given by it, and I'm not here to give any reasons. If the president said withdraw all your cases, now the president is directing you as a plaintiff, not you as a defendant, because you are not the person that instituted the matter. If the person that instituted the matter has refused to withdraw the matter, you as a defendant don't have the right to withdraw the matter. Okay, I understand that. No wahala, but you, Anene, fighting for these people, what they did, is it okay? Is it right? No, but because you have collected money, you cannot tell them the truth that they left. Follow the constitution. But no, you will not do that. No wahala. Tamuno Okoro Ibo says, these are the kind of stuff you see or hear when an imbecile is in charge as the president of the country. Evaristos Chibundu says, Agbero's thug or tout judgment. How can a father who claims to be settling his fighting children take such deceitful evil action, aiding one in his decision that is criminal-minded but will backfire as darkness can't outdo light forever? Amen. Aboboloki says, lies, deceit, deception, falsehood, twisting of facts, misleading. Sometimes when persons with vested interest analyze the law, it becomes more confusing. You are a liar, Oga Barrister. You can deceive those who know nothing. Well, I understand the fact that, okay, the governor is not the one that came to complain, so he does not have the right to withdraw the case. I really understand that Fubara doesn't have the right to withdraw the case. But these people, they know they are in the wrong. You know you are wrong. Why does it have to be you that will still go and complain in the court of law? If it is not because we condone a whole lot of rubbish in this country, why did you go and report? When you are the one that is in the wrong, you left your party to another party, and yet you are still the one complaining, still the one going to court to say, hey, you want to fight to have your seat back. How? If it was Wike that was the governor, would you try that with him? No, you would not. Emmanuel Kalu says the withdrawal of his process by 11 defendants is predicated on President Tinubu's peace settlement outside the court. However, something is fishing here as a bobby trap set by Honorable Martins Amewole and Co. So among the people who withdraw his process is the governor, while others did not at all. They disobeyed the president, but unknown to the governor. It also means that Governor Fubara indeed wants peace to reign, but his colleagues were bent on pound of flesh which they are now using against him. Exactly. Exactly, that man wants peace. He doesn't like problems. And that is why I would even want to withdraw the case. But no, you are in the wrong. You still want to cause problems for him. You still want to impeach him by all means. You still want to, to make sure that he leaves that seat as the governor for you people. And you people are the one that are wrong here. Imam Wako says the case ought to be decided, heard, treated, and decided on its merits. It is inconsequential whether the governor withdrew from the case or not. The fact that of the case is that 27 lawmakers have lost their seats following their defection to another political party, QED. Yes, there should be no going back and forth. If you're a good lawyer, if you're a good judge, it's not even supposed to be a case. It's not supposed to be an issue. It is in the constitution. It is in the law. People will be clamoring for people to obey the law, obey the constitution. So you tell them, you have left. The constitution states clearly that once somebody leaves their party to another party, automatically you lose the seat. There is no case. Just go back to your house. But no, they are helping them fight for the case and saying they don't want to withdraw, they don't want to do this, they don't want to do that. It is well. Tolaweni says they are making a fool of Mr. President's peace accord. Patrick Oweche says withdrawing cases in court does not change the defection of Amewole and his group. Yes, it doesn't change the fact that they actually defected. The action became a fait accompli the moment they announced it. Rivers' problem is caused by refusal of INEC to conduct by-election to replace them. It should happen now, yes. INEC should stand now and conduct the election. These people are gone. They are gone for good, gone and forgotten. There's nothing they are coming back to do in the legislative arm. Nothing. They left. So they should remain left. Ayade Abimbola says, in a situation like Rivers, where the incumbent worked his favorites into office, the new governor has to work with the outgoing governor diligently for a period of time until his boss allows him to carry on, or until his boss tells him to do something that he cannot do and he refuses and says no. Or do you think that Fubara has not been doing the bidding of Wike? He has been doing it. Something must have happened for him to have finally said, no, I'm not doing this. That must have been what caused the problem. It's not because he wasn't doing his bidding. He was doing his bidding until he asked for too much. Rivers State Governor was not patient enough to allow Wike to give him go-ahead. Since you did not win election by your might, you have to do yes sir to your benefactor. Really? Oh yeah, Fubara, go and kill yourself. Yes sir. You should do yes sir to everything. Fubara, go and kill your wife. Yes sir. Because is that not what you people want? You should be controlled and do anything that Wike says. I beg. People should stop that talk and call a spade a spade. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.